Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to show you how to upgrade your RAM, and this is our laptop which we used in our office for our daily operations. Now we want to change or upgrade it from 4 GB RAM to 16 GB RAM because it's quite slow in few operations. So this is our laptop done. Now we want to upgrade it. So here we're gonna start it. Okay, turn it back. Now for this we just need a screwdriver. Okay, start it. Okay, uncover the base, and here now you can see the our old RAMs, which is I think 4 GB. Yes, it is 4 GB. Now we want to upgrade it into 16 GB. So here I will show you how you can extract the old ones. Okay, yeah, we have purchased it from the local market. Let me show them. And here it is. It is I think 16 GB. Here. Okay, now it's a 16 GB. So we will show you how you can insert them. Just placed it in the tray, press them towards downward. Okay, now put the cover on and set the screws. Here it is. It is now completed, so you can now turn on and enjoy the high speed.